Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon everyone. Sorry for the delay. My PC just decided to to restart suddenly. So that's why I've just got a little delay here. Sorry for that. Hi Anne, hi Tara, good afternoon to you. Nice and smiley start of the day. Hopefully we are going to have a nice green one. How are you girls and guys? Hopefully everyone is ready for today's trading, because I smell some kind of high volatility and I'm just telling you why. Buenas tardes, Todd. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Okay, now let's see. All right, guys, if the sound is a bit too low or a bit too high, please just let me know. I'm ready to adjust it as always. So today it's Wednesday, 25th of March, and the geopolitical happenings are just getting a little bit faster. I mean the changes in the morning. It was like Trump just sent a ceasefire points for the document for Iran, but now there is a breaking news that Iran won't accept U.S. effort at a ceasefire in war. State media report. So Iran won't accept these points. First of all, the FARS news agency state media outlets said there have been increased U.S. efforts to put a ceasefire into effect and begin in direct talks with Iran, but Iran will not accept a ceasefire offer from the USA, Iranian state media reported Wednesday. So actually, this is the situation now. This is where we are standing, and as you can see on the S&P 500, it's quite volatile already in the pre-market. Like we had a little gap up, then back to the start again trying to push this 660 over, and now we are just standing in quite of a small move, but still green, still quiet green, I would say, 659, which is definitely higher than it was the close yesterday. And the reason for that, again, yesterday it was the Trump wants a ceasefire. Why? This is the fourth week of the war, and he promised that it's going to be over in 4 weeks. And I think this is what he's working on so far, but no success yet. But so far, it looks like a strong market. But again, it's still a very much news and headline driven market, guys. Geopolitical tensions driven, I would say. Hi Nitsa, nice to see you. Good morning. I hope you are good and safe. First of all, now let's see what is happening in the markets in the meantime. As I've told you, volatility I think is guaranteed for today. I'm just checking the rest of the stock exchanges. Market starting in nice green. Hood, Baba, AMD, Coin, PLTR, Tesla really strong on my list, and MU, STX, XOM, because the oil is moving back. Especially MU is quite weak for to start the day. With the SPYs up almost 1%, to triple Q 1.07. So quite a strong start, but again everything can just change in a second. So let's just be aware of that. Europe nice and green this morning and the afternoon close as well. Asia is the same. Everything is into the green one. On the FX, the XY index, it's back to this 99.30 area. US 10 years are pushing lower too. Futures bright and green together with the gold and silver. Of course, the crude oil is pushing back towards lower to this $88 area, and crypto very strong, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, which are quite strong. Cardano is not bad either. So these are the strongest at the moment. Yes, Nitsan, CIFR, Cipher Digital Security, 200 million 4-year revolving credit facility. Whoa, that's quite big news. Let me just check if I can trade it as CIFR. I can't trade it, but I can just send it to the team, risk management team, maybe. Which one is that? CIFR, right? Just checking it again. Okay. Yes, CIFR. Okay, let's see whether we can make it happen to open. Sorry, guys. Okay. All right, guys. What else on your list? Please just let me know. In the meantime, I'm just going to continue with the reading the news here. As I've told you, this is the I would say the fresh update at the moment that iron won't accept US. Yes, Circle definitely on my list, Tara. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. Circle, let's see. Oof, that was a big drop. Now, of course, it's a dead cat bounce. Let's see whether it's a dead cat bounce or Mm, maybe it's pulling back. I don't know, but Circle definitely on our list. Okay, guys, more news ahead, or like, of course, pre-market gains. U.S. stocks streamed after report that Iran's government has rejected ceasefire. Global oil prices sliding not below $95 per barrel on the U.S., so it is down as well. I'm going to watch it to the short side, but again, I'm going to be careful, guys, because anything can happen and anything can just change in a second with one headline, one update actually. On the international side, CNBC, everything is about iron war and oil prices. Dow futures jump 400 points as report of US peace plan for iron since oil price is lower, but now it got rejected. So let's see what's going to happen after the market open. ARM jumps 13% in pre-market after saying first in-house chipset to generate $15 billion in revenue. Wow, that's quite of a optimistic outlook. Let's see. ARM can be one of our great candidate for today. We have some new stocks as well and earning stocks. We are just going to go there soon. All right, today on the economic front, what we can expect. Today is the 25th of March and Wednesday, and I must tell you not too much. 8:30 we got import prices, which was a bit better than expected, and later on crude oil inventories 10:30 and 4:10 FOMC member Miran is going to speak after the market closes. So 10:30 is the next one with the crude oil inventories, and that's it. So nothing, not a big action on the economic side. Heizuki, yes, Chewy ARM on my list as well, and the Ethereum ETF definitely because the cryptos are just pushing higher at the moment. Now let's see. We have here CF Industries. CF was quite of a big mover in the recent days, as you remember. Now it is just pushing down again with 3% on the news that the negotiations surrounding the US iron war signal the commodities shortage could end. Fertilizers prices have soared since the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, sending shares of CF Industries up then 27% since the start of the conflict. So this is going to be a small pullback on CF. I'm going to watch it closely and just starting my watch list soon indeed. Where are we? Okay, just a second, guys. Yeah, one of my monitor doesn't want to work, unfortunately. That's not good, but what can we do? So let's just get a nice candidates list. So I'm going to have a long, and on the long list, I will get definitely the Bitcoin related stocks like, I don't know, coin, definitely I'm going to call it. I've seen a very strong on ARM as we were talking about. So ARM is going to be a strong one too. On my list, CF, it's definitely just to the short side. Okay, oops, sorry guys, I'm just going to continue this list. I'm just removing now, sorry. So long list, again, we have ARM coin. The strongest on my watch list among the stocks is Hood, by the way. who doesn't look bad as well for finally a reversal on the daily chart as well. Look at that. It's very extended to the downside and touched again the low of, I think it's 2026 low, of course. So might even hood is going to have a nice chance to move higher. AMD very strong as I see. Baba coin as I mentioned you. PLTR, let's just keep an eye on PLTR as well, traders. Tesla looks like a great one for a reversal to PLTR. It's again close to this 160 area, so PLTR definitely on my long list as well. Amazon, Roblox, mRNA, Meta, Google, so everything is to the green side. I'm just telling you which ones are not the strongest at the moment. What I'm just checking here, it's weaker than the market, still in green but weaker. It's Disney, Netflix, CRM, PepsiCo, Applied Materials, AMAT, WMT, which are pushing back a little bit at the moment. The J&J, which is a little bit into the green side, however, the daily looks like as a reversal. And definitely the XOM, MUSDX, which are the weakest on my watch list at the moment. So the oil stocks, we can watch it for a reversal. Yes, it's very weak, Tara. I don't know what happened with the stock. I'm just going to check it. Maybe we have some news about this stock, but at the moment looks quite weak indeed. Next one on my list is Chewy. As Zuki just mentioned, the pet product service company jumped 7%, delivering a fourth quarter report, which was not bad at all. So Chewy at the moment looks like as a great move to the upside. Continuation higher, 0.31% higher. Not a very strong one. Oh, it's not that one. Sorry. I was just wondering why. CH. Mistyped. Sorry, guys. Chewy. Nah, this is looking much better because I was just remembering that Chewy was very extended to the downside. And yes, I was right. Now it's back to this $26 area, which is good because it's over the 20 EMA on the daily. And on news days, this small little stock can really move. So I really like it to my long list, Chewy to the long list as well. KB Home is down 4% after it reported the numbers, and it was not really good for KBH at all. Now it's down more than 4%. Volume is so-so, so I think it's just going to go to the secondary list, but I'm going to keep an eye on that. BRZE is up a lot indeed because of the fourth quarter revenue. This is a smaller stock. It's just a $20 stock. Volume not bad, a little bit too much to the upside, but let's see whether it can move higher onto the long list, B, R, Z, and E. Okay, what else on the list? We still have a lot. Hood is up, not just because I just checked it, but it's just unveiled a buying back plan of $105 billion stock buyback plan. The repurchase plan will take place over the course of 3 years, beginning in the current quarter. So this is quite of a big one. All of the oil stocks are going down, of course, as on the US side and more developments. But again, traders, let's just be careful because, again, this USO can just stay quite volatile because Iran just rejected this ceasefire document from Trump. So I'm expecting really high, crazy volatility indeed on the oil. So let's just be careful with that indeed. NEM, price of gold jumped on Wednesday after a decline in oil prices. How is inflation fears? Shares of the precious metal is just going higher still. So we can watch some gold miners like NEM as well. FCX is here as well because of the metals just get higher. FCX, I'm checking both of them. FCX looks like, oh, beautiful for a continuation. It's up on the $58 area. However, the daily on the daily, I see on $59 quite of a strong resistance. So with FCX, let's be careful, but definitely looks strong. And let's just check NEM as well. NEM looks fantastic. I do prefer NEM over FCX. I'm just going to call it to the long side. Okay, traders, nothing else on the news list at least. But as I mentioned you, we still have strong ones like AMD, for example. That was a beast yesterday as well, AMD. And now, as you can see, it is just jumping higher over this $210 area. I really like this stock to the upside for today. I must tell you, it's quite convincing on the daily for a reversal. So AMD, I'm going to call it to the long side. PLTR is the other one which I'm going to check. As I've told you, Tesla is not bad either, but 395 can be problematic. As you can see, there is the touching point of the 200 EMA and the 20 EMA as well. So on the Tesla, we have a quite strong resistance on 395, but so far it's just on the 391.40s, so it's okay. Yes, VG checking. For short close, VG checking Venture Global now is just down minus 1.8. Yeah, maybe it can be good for a gap and go. I mean to the downside because of the profit taking. I like it, Nitsan. I'm just going to get it to the short list. I just finished my long list and then I'm going to send a short list indeed. So for the long list, we have ARM, Coin, Huchui, BRZE, NEM, and AMD. And I'm just checking quickly the gainers and losers list as well. For example, SRPT is here, Chewy, of course, we have them. Just a sec. Okay, HMI, all of the gold-related stocks, ETFs are higher. Zuki here is ETHU as well, as you just mentioned. CDE, which is going higher too. CD is up 6%, looks like as a great one, but not a huge mover. Maybe I'm not going to go in. Hecla Mining, of course, HL, which looking really good as well, as just like NEM, by the way. Okay, NEM, it's here. I just mentioned it. GDX. Oh my God, how many? A lot of what is like stock or gold-related stocks and ETFs. Circle, as Tara mentioned, it's going to go to my secondary list. Actually, Lunar is going up as well, 4% higher. But yesterday it was a quite of an ugly move. INTC, guys, INTC is up. 3.79%. Also, I don't like it's in a consolidation on the daily. Not my favorite because of the consolidation on the daily. Hi, Busa. Good evening to you. Nitsan Maze. Reduction supporting pivot. I try. Thank you, but I don't think so. No, I can't read it. Indeed, I'm just checking in soon on the this as well on the risk management team. Okay, traders, I cannot see too much more. SRPT maybe this is a therapeutic stock which is pushing higher on maybe some news on SRPT. I'm just going to watch it as well on the long list because it's quite of a good mover. So this is the long list. I've just sent it. I'm going to send it like separately, okay? To the short list, you mentioned VG. MU looks quite weak, I must tell you. KBH, what we mentioned as well, because it got quite ugly numbers. SNDK, I'm going to put to the short list as well. Traders is just pulling back 6% already. Of course, USO and the oil-related stocks, but again, just be careful with these, especially oil-related stocks, guys, because again, iron just rejected the offer. So this is definitely not a good start. Again, like volatility and craziness can continue. MU is down 2.44%, STX, WDC, of course, like the same sector stock. SCDG is down, LNG is down, of course, LNG like the gas. DVN, more oil and energy stocks are just moving down, and CF, what we were just checking as well. However, with CF, I'm going to be careful, but CF looks like quite interesting as well to the short side. So this is going to be my short list. Hi, Jeremy, nice to see you. I'm just checking whether it can be opened. Okay. All right. And we have a secondary list. On the secondary list, I'm going to check then the CIFR that you just mentioned. PLTR, definitely it should be there on our list. And one more stock which I was watching. Just a second. This RCAT of yesterday and these lower price stocks. I'm going to watch RCAT as well. Somehow I feel it's going to, and maybe INTC because it's quite strong today. So CIF or INTC or CAT on the secondary list. What else in here? UNR. NCLH is higher too. Maybe some airline stocks, guys. UAL, DAL, because of the oil is going down. UAL, I'm checking now. UAL. I don't like the dailies too much. This is my problem. SMCI, I'm watching too. Amazon. Amazon was quite of a big drop. And Microsoft. Do you remember yesterday, Microsoft, guys? That was crazy big red day. Now it's pulling back as well. I'm going to keep an eye on Amazon as well. Give us a yes, Tara. That's why I'm just going to put the secondary list. So here we are. Traders, we have the long, the short, and the secondary trades or stocks here. As I've told you, I'm definitely going to watch here coin, SNDK, MU, USO, and what else from the long list, especially ARM I like, Hood I like. I'm going to put Hood here. Okay, we still have like 6 minutes to go, or 5. VG is not bad either. SNDK definitely it's a must to watch and check. Okay, NVDA, Tesla on my list as well. All right, here we go. Okay, CFI, PRTR as well. Chewy. All right, so let's get Chewy here. We have Chewy, we have ARM, PRTR. I just get the stocks on my list here. NEM, maybe AMD, definitely I want to watch AMD. AMD here. Okay. SRPT, BRZ, BRCE, let's see, BRZE. Circle as well, CRCL, I'm going to keep an eye. And to the short side, MUSNDK, USO, KBH maybe can go on our list as well on the bad news. All right, traders, I think we are ready to start this day with great candidates. Don't forget, which one, Buzak? SNDK? Um, hmm, Let me just check it again. CF Industries, SNDK. Okay, just a sec. Still have like 2 minutes to go, guys. Be ready with your candidates because I think it's going to be quite of a volatile start because of the confronting news a little bit. And I'm just getting to SNDK here. Now let me check it. Sandy's investing $1 billion in technology today. It got some Google news though. Sandy slips 6% as a 1 billion investment in nanotechnology divides investors. That is the reason, Buzak. So maybe these news are not the best actually for Sendix, but let's see. I'm going to keep an eye on that. You know, we like this stock, especially for the lunch money. Let's just keep it for the lunch money and let's see whether we can get any nice benefits today. ON, oh yes, Jeremy, I've seen this ON as well. This is a semicon stock, and yes, you are right, we can watch it to the short side. Completely agree with you. Maybe instead of NVDA, I'm rather going to go with AMD today. I think from the same sector. Guys, we are just getting open soon. ON really looks good to the short side. It's down like 6% and quite okay on the volume as well. So not bad. Ooh, Hood is getting really strong there. And Baba, look at Baba traders. Alibaba is jumping too. AMD, beautiful. I love AMD to the long side. Mara is not bad either. So Soundhound. Yes, no, 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 still not out of the woods, but sound. I'm ready to start a swing on a sound hand soon, by the way. Maybe around the $5 area. I think it's might still going to go lower. MU is still under pressure, guys. 3.17%, 382 under the 50 EMA looks like as a I would say a healthy profit taking, and the XOM is down 0.88%. AMAT applied materials 0.80% as well, pulling back. All right, and we are open for business. Market starting in a small gap up. Good luck, everyone. Let's just make a nice green day. Yes, Tara, MU is amazingly weak. SNDK as well, by the way. Not bad. SNDK. Okay. I had still 2 shares left from yesterday. I forgot to close it. Sorry, guys. All right, so USO starting under 110. Hood beautiful. On the hood, I want to see like a gap and go. SNDK MU is the same. Coin nice and strong. AMD fantastic. All right, I need the 1 minute. How about PLTR? Nice gap up. Chewy, ARM. Whew, KBH, that's a gap fill, actually. BRZE circle moving back as well. Interesting on the circle. NVIDIA nice and strong as well. We should keep an eye on NVIDIA too. Yeah, MU it just keeps falling. Unbelievable. 374 already. Crazy. And Hood is not stopping. Look at Hood, guys. Hood is up like 5, almost 6% on the $73 area. Still quite nothing on the daily. Let's see. Okay, USO trying to push a bit higher. Coin very strong. Let me just check this circle here. Nothing. I want to get gap and goes. Wow, ON already going down. Chewy checking on 26 for a gap and goes. Okay, let me just check Chewy daily chart. Yes, Chewy looks good. Chewy looks good. Maybe only over the high, but looks quite interesting over this $26 area. I agree with you. Tesla is breaking out already, traders. Hood is very close to the highs as well. AMD forming here. Coin is not bad either. MU trying to make a reversal there. Chewy looks good. Market so far trying to stretch this nice move to the upside. CRWV I'm checking too. Still very early today, so it's okay. No hurry into the trades. SNDK pulling back, of course. ARM looks very strong as well, guys. ARM. Bit extended though, but I like, yes, Suki. I like ARM. 152.20 over 152.20 on the ARM for me. 152.20 with a stop loss under 150. Okay, so watch out on the share size, please. And 152, yes, here we are. I'm just calling it as well. ARM 152 and 20. If it goes over 20 again, I'm going to get it. On the 28 is going to be my entry on the ARM. All right, I am in ARM. On the ARM, I want to see $2. $2. Chewy, I missed it. ARM is in. ON coming back. NVIDIA not doing too much. AMD broke. Hood is very strong. I still keep an eye on Hood. US, so I'm wondering what's going to happen there. PLTR I keep an eye on as well. Beautiful on Chewy. I forgot to put in my entries. Okay, beautiful call on the Chewy. I really like it. Really like the Chewy thing. Okay, come on ARM. Don't go to the wrong direction, please. Checking hood is $74 on the hood. I'm still watching it for a long, but no clear entry yet. AMD non-stopping, amazing. SLV checking. AFRM looks good as well, but a bit low volume. SLV looks quite good, and there is even a gap to fill. I like SLV. 66.25 for me, 66.25 for me. Okay, traders, here comes ARM around 154. I want to take a partial. Market is ready to break out as I see. Coin looks like great over the high as well. But now I'm just going to focus on this ARM traders because I want to take my partial there. Come on, ARM. And VDA broke beautiful on Chewy. Zuki, beautiful call. I really, really liked it. Okay, ARM traders, I'm taking off 75% of my share size. Fantastic. First partial done. Stop loss just slightly under the entry and let it run. I was a bit stretched on the share size to tell the truth. That's why I wanted 1 hour. And the next one, it's around 156. SPY triple Q breaking out, really good. Chewy, fantastic. I would take a first partial around here on the Chewy before this 27. Fantastic call, really. SNDK, I'm still waiting, Buzak. I'm still waiting for that. The coin was nice as well, but I missed it. So first, two trades, the Chewy and the ARM working fantastic. And VDA broke, even BRZE coming back here, which I'm watching, maybe Circle, VG checking, VG. Market is breaking higher and PLTR, Tara, I missed PLTR. Yes, Zuki, beautiful trade on the Chewy. Very, very much well done. On the VG, not bad. Under the lows, you want to take it, Nitsan? 85, yes. Good, good, good. Okay, traders, market is moving higher. ARM, I'm just going to take a second partial soon and then let it run. Based on the daily, it still can go, I think, to this 160 area, 158 at least. Let's see if we can go there. Beautiful ARM. I'm ready to take my second partial on the ARM, just the half of the share size. And let's see whether it can push higher from here on. It's a bit stretched for me and the market as well. That's why I'm rather taking a little bit more off. And let's see whether we can make this push even higher. All right, ON, NVDA, Chewy, beautiful. Wow, really nice on Chewy. I'm watching this BRZE as well around this $22 level and just checking others here. Let me just check Hood, no chance to enter. AMD, no chance to enter. How about Roblox? Oof, AFRM. Yeah, AFRM was a nice one too. Okay. All right. Reddit, SoundHound. SOUN. Not bad. Everything is just going without us. No good. Even MU. Look at MU, guys. MU is moving higher now. Such a strong move to the upside that at the moment I just cannot see anything which would be really nice for continuation. PLTR, I missed the reversal there. Tesla, all over the place now. I think the market is going to pull back a bit. Yes, I know, Luis. I've seen we missed a lot, but as everything happened at the same time, it's quite easy to miss. Luis, yes, I know. I'm going to watch this coin maybe instead of SNDK because it's just not doing anything. Watching here Amazon as well. USO looking like going lower. Amazon, okay. CRM is strong today. Yesterday it was really weak. INTC needs some checking. I just want to wait with this market. Now, INTC looks beautiful, 46.20. Intraday breakout, 46.25. I'm going to check it instead of Soundhound maybe. So traders, I'm still having the last shares on the ARM, and I'm just going to move my stop loss under 154.50. Okay, locking some profit because it's a bit extended for me, and now it's just making a consolidation, forming a consolidation. INTC, I keep an eye on it. Market still looking really, really strong. MU. Um, hmm. No, for me it's just a straight green line now. I do not want to touch it. I want to see rather consolidation breakout at the moment. Oh, we missed circle as well. This BRZE is not looking bad either over this 22. Look at this. I like this stock. Yeah, I'm going with BRZE. BRZE over 22. Stop loss under this consolidation. And CRW, we checking. Yes, not bad. CRW, we need some, but only 86.10, something like that. I'm going to check it. So now I'm just on the BRZE, the stop loss, it's under 21.30. So it's quite of a nice one. Ooh, circle, that's crazy that we missed circle. I'm going to watch here CRWE, but CRWE can be so crazy sometimes. Wow, NVDA 180, and it's still bull flagging. Amazing. Watch out on ARM. Stop loss under 154.50. Market still looking quite strong. Hood bull flagging, AMD bull flagging. What to do with USO traders? I'm just afraid to short it under 109. You know why? Because the things no, it looks like a perfect breakdown, but I'm just so much afraid of this crazy news. This is the truth. This is the truth. Like, might I'm not playing with the oil, with the fire today. Okay, BRZ is the next one which I'm checking. CRWV is not bad either, Nitsan, but only over like 86.20, something like this. And I'm out of ARM. ARM is out, but was a beautiful trade. Wolf, checking Wolf. Not bad. Looks good. Really good. I like Wolf. Wolf looks really, really good. Thank you, Jules. Yeah, that was a good one. So BRZE is the next one which I'm watching. I like Nissan's call on the Wolf as well. And Tesla just touched the VWAP here. This is still I'm watching, but I feel like that the SPY and the triple Q are a little bit too strong now. Google back to the VWAP as well. But look at the triple Q and the SPY breaking the VWAP, or yes, the VWAP. And that's not the best. Completely breaking the VWAP. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's just wait out a little bit. BRZ, it's okay. It's not the type of a stock, I think, which is going with the market. Yes. ARM, Luis. On the VWAP, you mean, right? Yeah, but now I'm just wondering what the market is going to do here. So just keep an eye on the market now. I'm not in yet BRZE. So at the moment, I have no position. Waiting for BRZ and waiting for the market because now it started to go down. You see, oil is up, market is down. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Volatility is still going to stay here. Crazy, crazy. Huh? Checking coin, Luis. Yeah, I'm checking coin here. Which ones? SNDK and MU. Yes, agree, Jeremy, completely. I just want to wait out what's going to happen with this crazy market now because actually the SPY is just back to the lows with three big red candles together with the triple Q. And don't forget, we got a rejection on Trump's ceasefire document. Buzak, not that quick. I think for me, excuse me, guys. For me, SNDK would be 650 to the short side. Ooh, CRWV. You were right. Who caught CRWV? Nitsan, beautiful. I hope you are in. I was not that brave to take the CRWV with this market at the moment. But your wolf is still doing great as well. I mean, looking great as well. It's not in yet. All right, traders. So, Chewy is back as well. So far I'm waiting what this market is up to at this point that we are just on the lows quickly. Checking the news. Maybe we have some update again. European markets open. No, I cannot see anything. And just for a reminder, not a big day on the economic front either for today. Okay. SNDK looking a bit better. MU, I want to see a consolidation for the short, but if we do continue like that with the market, BRZ is cancelled. I'm not going to take BRZ. Just broke the whole pattern actually. So I cleared it and no position and waiting for the market. Coin looks perfect for the reversal over 184 or 189, sorry, 189. Yeah, I cannot trade it, unfortunately. PLTR, let's see, PLTR. PLTR is on the VWAP too. Tesla, beautiful on the VWAP, but oof, lots of levels on the Tesla. AFRM, AMD, AMD. AMD is back to the VWAP as well. We just need a decision from the market, and as I see, guys, SPY is breaking the lows. Ouch, ouch, ouch. SNDK still fighting. Tesla still fighting, but I think Tesla, I would take it only over 394.20, something like that. AMD 217 would be great, but for that we should see the market for continuation first. In the meantime, checking TQQQ maybe under the lows. Yeah, why not? Just for a, hedge trade, TQQQ under 44.70 can be maybe a good one here. ARM, SNDK, BRZE, not doing too much here, so I just canceled it. Maybe we're waiting for the 10 o'clock, I don't know. What is the market is waiting for again on the lows? So far, I'm waiting for the market to show whether we are going to see a reversal or that was it. My favorite VWAP reversals are definitely AMD here, but only over 217. Maybe coin over 189. And what is with ARM? ARM so-so. And if we are talking about shorts, then definitely SNDK I like under 650, and MU is starting to look interesting here, 378 for the short side, and definitely the market if we break down. So these are my focus at the moment. So SPY is still breaking lower. Volume is quite high on the red candles, but not very convincing yet. So I would say this is the level where still anything can happen. Okay, I'm in TQQQ. Wolf, yes, I seen it, son. I'm in TQQQ. I want to see like 15, 20 cents. This is just the usual scalp traders. So around 44, 50, 52, I'm going to take a partial. Oh, MU I missed. But it was no 4 candles either. So let's just leave it. Come on, TQQQ. So I'm shorting the market traders. And around this 50, here I'm going to take out 70% of my share side. Only 70%. Oh, beautiful. I'm taking 70% of my share size. Fantastic. Stop loss is going to be just over the entry and let it run. And I missed SNDK and MU. Okay, but at least I'm shorting the market. Yeah, Wolf is still holding. AMD is still holding. MU was beautiful if you took it. And SNDK is as well, but everything again just at the same time. Amazing. All right, nice winner on TQQQ. Next one around 44.20 or even 44, but maybe this is just a crazy move again. ON, ON, yeah, that looks good as well, Jeremy. ON, ON. AMD is still holding, coin is holding. Oh my God, MU. Yesterday I missed MU, today I missed MU. I'm annoying. Okay. Okay, so TQQQ I'm holding. MU first partial can be done if you are in. SNDK2. CRW is still holding. AMD still holding. Tesla not holding. I would take two if market. Yes, yeah, I see. Still looks strong. But the market is just in a quite of a strong reversal mode now. Doesn't mean it's going to stay like that, but quite ugly sell-off now, which is good for my TQQQ. Okay. Come on, TQQQ, let's see 44. Oil, of course, going higher. I'm not sure Chewy can do it again, but let's see. I'm thinking rather on AMD, by the way. But I see why you are maybe even over 26.75. Zuki. Coin is very crazy for me at the moment. I'm not going to take it, Luis. Too volatile. Here comes your wolf, Nitsan. You call it over 17. It still looks good, I think. And actually still AMD looks good, even over 216.80. SPY triple Q stopped a little bit. Let's see whether this is just a temporary stop and we are going to bounce back, or this is going to be the direction for a while. XOM down. SPY is still green, but only 0.60%. And I think we are on the 200 EMA now. Yeah, we just broke the 200 EMA with the SPY. And the triple Q, it is on the 200 EMA. So if we can make a reversal, this reversal should happen now. DOCN checking. Digital Ocean Holdings. No, come on. Oh no. My PC is not on the top today. Okay, traders, just a second. I will be back with the charts. I've told you volatility is guaranteed for today. Is just guaranteed for today as always, but today especially. Okay, beautiful. Wolf. Nissan's call. I took it as well, of course. I told you I like it. I missed Zuki's call, but I took Nissan's beautiful call on the Wolf, and I'm just taking a partial here. Nissan, just a 70% of the share size. Looks fantastic. Okay, and the SPY triple Q, in the meantime, still no decision actually. So I took my first partial here on the Wolf. Thank you, Nitsan. And I'm just checking the OCN. And I am back with the chart. Sorry for that, guys. All right, so far great. Hood looks great. And I still like AMD over this 217. Maybe volume is not the best. ARM, yes, Hood doesn't look bad either. Hood. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, traders, the TQQQ is still in, as you can see, but the market is struggling. Beautiful on the Hood. Next partial is going to be, I think, just 18. It still can go a lot, I think. All right, traders, MU reversing. Hood looks great, 74. 2 is still moving. CRW is strong. OM was a nice short, Jeremy. Well done. But the market is still not out of the woods. We need to go back to the VWAP and break it higher. And I don't know what's going to happen. Here comes the 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock level. Usually it makes some problem. Okay. Market is hesitating a lot. Yes, Jules, and CRWV, it was called, by the way. I'm just checking who called this stock, which Nitsan called it over 86, by the way, so it was a very nice call, but I don't know, you know what, some. Hi, traders, I am back. I hope you can hear me. My PC just stopped, just like that, and restarted. Very, very, very much sorry for that. I'm coming back in just a second. I hope the Wolf is on 18 already. Crazy. I don't know, I think I need a full repair on my PC. So guys, I am still in TQQQ. I am still in TQQQ. I am in Wolf as well. And on the TQQQ, I want to take a partial around 44. Market is still hesitating here a little bit. No, it was me. It was me. Sorry, sorry. Unfortunately, it was me. It was my fantastic PC. I just don't know why you cannot see my charts. Ah, you can see it now. Good, good, good. Everything is back. Yeah, yes, Jules, it is. Especially with Windows. Oh my goodness. Okay, but nothing big has happened. Wolf is still in. Nice green trade. Stop loss on the entry. Let's see if we can break this 1750. Nice call, Jeremy. Here comes Hood over the 74. INTC coming back quite strongly as well. Yes, and CIFR, it's open, guys. CIFR, it's open. The risk management team opened it, so CIFR can be an interesting entry about 1650 if you like it. So still TQQQ and Wolf. However, the market's starting to pull back quite strongly. So maybe I'm going to be out TQQQ just slightly over 44.60 because there is a nice consolidation, as you can see. It doesn't worth to keep it if it doesn't want to go. Buzak, you're joining to the Wolf. Okay, let's see if we can break this 1750 first, but looking like a good one. Market is trying hard to make a bottom reversal here. Even AMD is coming back to this 217 level. Which I'm watching. All right. USO back to 110. Now let's see what's going to happen next. Indeed. ARM still strong. TQQQ coming back over 44.60. I'm going to be out of TQQQ. SNDK amazing, strong again. How about the Bitcoin? Bitcoin struggling again. The 50 EMA, it's quite of a strong one there. ARM, yeah, ARM looks like as a breakout Buzak, even just for a scalp looks quite okay. INTC interesting, Nitsan, but a little bit too crazy for me today on the INTC. And I don't know, this market is looking a bit weird. I'm out of TQQQ traders. This was just a scalp, but it's okay. Wolf is still in. Wolf looks fantastic. Actually, Wolf looks very good. CRW is very strong. SNDK is back. I'm watching Tesla as well. But somehow the market has not convinced me yet that it's ready to come back. Just has not convinced me yet, indeed. Okay, Microsoft, Google. Google, Microsoft, the big names are not strong at all. Look at Apple, Microsoft, Google. How about Meta, which was anyway under pressure for days? Even Meta, it's pulling back to red. So the big FANG stocks, except of NVDA and Amazon, are not looking good. Really, so weird. Okay, market. Now let's see, higher or lower? Applied materials weak. MU still weak, but trying to make this reversal here. GP Morgan, nothing. I think if Hood is coming back to this 74, might I'm going to take it with you, Jeremy. I don't know if you are in already or not. SNDK again, Buzak, now to the long side. Oh yeah, it's just broke already. The 660 was a nice entry for a long. Now I would not touch it. Chewy, beautiful call again. Zuki, if you took it over 90. SPY triple Q, I agree with Jules that it's just stuck a little bit here. But now the triple Q is trying to push higher. Look at triple Q. Nice. Okay. I'm on a nice high already, strong today, but so. AMD did the move over 217. I did not take it at the end. But as I've told you, if the hood is coming back to this $74 level, maybe over 74.10, I'm going to take this hood here with you, Jeremy. Wolf is the only one which is still going. Stop loss should be under 73. Now let's see. Oh, AMD, nice. Well, I did not take it. But the SPY is, I mean, the price from price action wise, the SPY is weaker today. This was the first, I mean, the SPY was the first when it just moved lower. Oh, CIFR, yes. On this 50 level, right? Like 1650. I think I would take it only Nitsan over 1650. 1650. Oh, yeah, I really. Mm. Nice and strong, unbelievable strong AOI. You are right. You know what's this situation that why the oil is going up? I don't get it. Never mind. Yes, AOI a little bit too late for me, though. Which one? Light? AOI, I keep an eye on it. Buzak, it's a bit too late for me. Light checking. Oh, light was beautiful, 790. It's a quite nice intraday breakout, but $4 spread, not for me. I know it's a big mover, but this is just a little bit too much for me. And actually, traders, I'm not sure that the market can continue higher because the oil is pushing higher now. ARM still very strong, as I see SNDK as well. AMD was beautiful on 217. Good luck with that. I'm still just standing on the sidelines. Also, Wolf is still okay until it's held by the EMA 9 there. BRZE again is okay. I did not take it. It get back? Oh yeah, it did. I don't know. Do you think is there enough volume? 22, 22. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. BRZ. I'm going to check it maybe instead of INTC. Market is struggling a lot at the moment. No clear direction, unfortunately. SMCI is very strong as well, traders. I just noticed it. Oh, what a perfect VWAP reversal on the SMCI. Shoo. You did join Wolf. Okay. Yeah, I want to see a break over 1750 now on the Wolf. Good luck, Buzak, to us because we are in already. Tesla completely stopped. How about PLTR? PLTR. No, come on. Don't stop again, please. I don't know. Oh, what's happening with my PC? Sorry, guys. I think I need a full reinstallation on my PC. I have the program for fin de semana, for the weekend. Coming back soon. Oh, come on, Wolf, really? Just cannot break this level here. Okay. I am back. Coin is breaking down. Market is still hesitating. AOI 116 looks a little bit better here. DXYZ checking. Looks nice. Quite of an ugly pullback though from the highs, but I agree with you. I'm going to keep an eye on this stock. Come on, Wolf. Maybe instead of Hood is not really moving now. Yes, 32, like round number. However, based on the formation, we can take it even over 31, 60, 70. Market is still triple Q though. It's back to the VWAP and breaking the VWAP. It's not bad. MU completely stuck. I think yes. I think yes, like relation with the Bitcoin, but you know what? I'm just checking it quickly. Digital, so I think, yeah, information technology services operates as a Bitcoin mining ecosystem in the United States. The firm is developing a cryptocurrency business. Company was founded in 2021, headquartered in New York. So yeah, 1650 here can be a 52, can be an entry on this stock. Wolf is going very nicely. 30 more cents to take a partial for me here. Okay, SPY again still cannot break higher. Triple Q stopped by the Viva, but or Wolf is looking like breaking the 1750 level, at least so far. So far traders only 3 trades. The third one is still in the position, as you can see here. The Wolf last 300 shares. And the market is getting a little bit stronger now. Yes, it looks good. I just don't think so. I want to take this here. What's the time? 15 minutes. Okay. Come on, Wolf. 30 more cents to take the partial there. Market looking better, especially the triple Q, by the way. Oh, I missed the XY. Oh, it's just on the 6. Okay. I'm not going to take it now. Not chasing the stocks there. Netflix is 1% higher, but quiet muted. This AY, it's a little bit crazy for me, Buzak. It's too crazy. TQQQ higher now. Come on, Wolf. Where is my positions? Okay, Very nice. 71 on the wolf. Ready to take one more little partial. INTC nicely broke higher as well. CIFR beautiful. I think I would take a partial around this for like a 50 cents. Buzak, Wolf all-time high is 1850. Nice, but I think here just before 18, I'm going to take another partial, like a second partial there, and then let it run. SPY triple Q starting to be stronger, not bad volume, especially on the triple Q, but I must tell you, I don't know what is driving it up. I'm just selling one more partial on this wolf. Oh, BRZ, yes, I forgot this stock already, Zuki. It's looking very interesting, but I think you know what? I had 3 winners, and here are my field orders. Nitsan asked me to show it every day. I'm going to. And I'm up a lot because I had a very fat finger on the ARM. So actually, I was a little, you could not see on me, but I was terrified of the ARM. I pushed one more zero on my trade. So that's why I'm up so much. And actually, yeah, I have a buffer to try this BRZE, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to keep it and run. DXYZ looks good. 2,230, but from this only the ARM was more than 1,000. For us, of course, anytime, anytime. Okay, guys, market looks like really strong now, like a beautiful comeback, but I'm still not buying this. I'm still not buying this. I would say I would just stay with the scalps. It's angulash, of course. What else, right? Okay, traders, CRM 0.50%. Bitcoin, it's a little bit sluggish so far. Thought it's going to be stronger. Buzak, if you are still in this AAOI, be careful because this is a crazy, this is just like SNDK. A little bit crazy. No, you just roll. You see, I'm a mind reader. I don't know. It's just too spready for me. Okay, SPY still like triple Q. The situation at the moment, traders, triple Q looks really strong. Triple Q is up back over the VWAP, but the SPY still cannot break the VWAP. And I must tell you, especially by the SPY, the volume is not convincing me at all. Good luck with the AOI. You like these crazy stocks, don't you? PLTR breaking down, interesting. Amazon, nothing. NVDA, slow. Everything is slowing down. Interesting. The Tesla is glued to the VWAP. However, Tesla would be nice over 394, but look at the daily. There is a 20 EMA, there is a 20 EMA, 50 EMA. Crazy. Now let's see last shares on the Wolf. I took a partial around the 70 level on the Wolf. Last shares are still playing. No more news since then, I mean, about the Iran situation. Watch Interior Secretary Burgum address oil industry as Trump hints at negotiated end to Iran war. There is something live going on. Wait. This is what I'm watching now. Interior Secretary Burgum addresses oil. Oil and gas executives on Wednesday as President Donald Trump has suggested a possible negotiated end to the US war against Iran. Energy conference in Houston. Interesting. Okay. Yes, and it's you know this stock can be such a surprise, and it was just a surprise again, amazing. But your DXYZ call was very nice as well. Nitsan is just working beautifully. CIFR as well over the 1650. Market moving even higher now. My wolf, I took two partial traders. I'm going to do the following. I'm just going to move my stop loss under the 9 EMA and 1750. Half hour, you mean like you lost before on that? Because I see it was quite volatile. Tesla is starting to look better, but no, the daily is not good on Tesla. I would not risk it. Daily is very much not good on this stock, unfortunately. No good, no good. Okay, guys, so far not a bad Tuesday. Volatility definitely played as always, but now I feel like the market needs to show the strength. That means that the triple Q break the highs and SPY breaking the VWAP first, not the highs. You're still adding to AAOI, okay? Are you added already? AAOI? It's Wednesday, yes, sorry. Okay. AOI. You're right. That looks, by the way, it looks like momentum is intact. It's still spready for me. 117 for the first partial. Nice. Okay. Oil is starting to pile up again. Watch out. MU still weak, 1.40, but nice comeback though on the MU. Yeah. Oh, USO is jumping again, and I don't know why. So weird. Maybe this. You know what? I'm listening to this Secretary of Interior speech. Out of wolf, guys, I'm flat. Don't think so. I'm going to take any more trades in the next 5 minutes. Investors are looking now for updates from Borgum, who also chairs Trump's Energy Dominance Council on the US war against Iran and what measures the White House is taking to reduce energy prices. So guys, he's speaking now, by the way, this guy. I'm just watching it here. So he's speaking now on the CNBC. You can even watch it and follow it. But might is going to, you see, yes, lots of volatility. Be careful. I'm hands off, hands off. I'm not going to take a trade now until he's speaking. Look at the market. Market is reacting on that speech now. Insane. Okay. I'm sending you the link if you are interested. Energy dominant strategy. Oof, craziness, craziness. I'm just listening to him. Okay. I don't know for how long he's going to speak, by the way. UGRO. I think this one I cannot read, but this is oil, no? No, I can't read it. I don't know. I think until he's going to speak, guys, he's going to be like, it's going to be quite crazy. Okay. I think I'm out of Wolf traders, so Wolf is out. And the market is looking for direction at the moment. Be careful, okay? I think I'm just going to call it as a trade. I hope you had a very nice green day. Again, I don't know for how long this guy is going to talk. So please just watch out on this link if you are interested. I hope you liked the session today. If you did, please just give us a thumbs up. And as always, traders, if you need um, anything from me, then agi@tefs.com, the email, and our website is tefs.com. Just watch out and stay tuned because Thursday we are starting something great for you. So surprise coming. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, Humble Ninja. Thank you, Jules. I just stop this guy because I'm still listening to him. So traders, watch out until he's speaking. Definitely, this is going to happen that the oil and the market, both of them are going to be quite volatile. After he finished, might we will get a bigger impact even. So I would stay by the scalps only, like until we cannot find the direction. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Nitsan. Okay, I won't. And have a nice rest of your day. Tomorrow I'm going to see you at 9 a.m. sharp as always. Hopefully sharper than today, and my PCA is going to let me to start it on time. Thank you for your interaction. Fantastic calls, everyone. Jeremy, Buzak, Nitsan, girls, really, really great. Circle is breaking again. Let me just check it. This was a big miss. However, Tara called it for us in the beginning. Maybe. Let's just check this 108. Maybe. But don't forget that yesterday it had a quite of an ugly day. Okay, just careful with that stock. All right, traders, have a beautiful one. Well done, Luis, on the coin. Muy bien. And see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.